Let's learn how to place an order. Start by clicking on the New Order button. Follow these steps. 1. Choose a category. Select the type of service you want from the drop-down menu. 2. Select a service. Pick the specific service that fits your needs from the list. Next, enter the quantity you want. Keep in mind there's a minimum quantity requirement, so make sure you meet it. Once you input the quantity, the system will automatically calculate the charges for your order. Don't forget to add the link for the service you're ordering. If you have multiple orders to place at the same time, use the mass order feature to upload and process them all in one go. You'll also notice the drip feed option. This allows you to place the same order multiple times automatically over a set period. Simply toggle the option to Yes if you want to use it. When you're ready, click on Place Order. Once your order is placed, go to the Order Logs page to track its status. The status of your order will be displayed right next to it. Finally, head back to the main page, and you'll see that your balance has been updated to reflect the cost of your order. That's it. You've successfully placed an order with Viral Reach. Stay tuned for more tutorials to help you maximize your social media growth.